How's it going, everybody? Welcome to Discover Wellness with Dr. David. We're here at Bowstring. It's an awesome venue. We're having an awesome time tonight. I'm speaking here tonight with Ragan. She's an expert here. She actually has a shop where they sell. I'll have you introduce yourself. Tell me more about what you do.
Hi, yes, I am actually a network marketer with Plexus worldwide, and we have all kinds of vitamins and supplements. We're a health and wellness business. We focus on gut health, weight management, and balanced blood sugar, and all kinds of things like that. So yeah.
Awesome. Well, let's talk a little bit about gut health. Why is gut health important?
It is really fascinating because I have learned that it is actually the root of all kinds of sicknesses and things like that. Fun fact, most cancers are related to a candida overgrowth in your gut. And so once you balance things inside of your gut and your microbes and all that kinds of stuff, it's really cool to see how much your body just kind of balances out.
I have also heard that they call your gut your second brain because you have the vagus nerve, which goes to your gut, which is made up of all these bacteria, which are basically mitochondria, or the powerhouse of your cells, and they communicate with your mitochondria. And it is most of your immune cells are in your gut. A lot of individuals don't know that. A lot of your white blood cells are in your gut because it's where you're taking in most of the things from the outside world. So what are some of the supplements that you offer, and in what ways do they impact your gut health?
Yeah, so we have our most famous gut health line is the Triplex system, and it's a probiotic. It's Probio 5, and then it's called BioCleanse. It's a magnesium supplement, and then we also have a blood sugar balancing drink called Slim. And so what we call it is corporate calls it the weed seed system because it takes out all of the bad microbes in your gut, and it kind of eliminates that through your waste. And then it feeds it with good bacteria and helps good probiotics grow inside your body so that you kind of heal from the inside out.
Now, would you say it's also important, in addition to probiotics, for individuals to eat lots of fiber-rich foods, like leafy green vegetables, avocado, broccoli, and things like that?
Yeah, absolutely. Leafy greens and things with fiber in it are really important for digestion because even if you're putting in probiotics into your body, you have to get rid of the bad stuff. And so the one thing that I love about the Probio 5 is that it has a yeast killer in it, and you have to kill off the yeast, add the good probiotics into your system, and then get rid of it through your waste, which includes things with fiber in it because that helps with digestion and all kinds of things like that, in addition to magnesium as well.
Now, fiber is how we feed our good bacteria. What are sort of the things that will cause these candida overgrowths and the overgrowth of bad bacteria that's going to have these deleterious health effects?
Yeah, so you think of the Western lifestyle, and that's basically it. So if you sleep less than like 9 hours a night, if you ever suffer from stress, which if you live in America or anywhere you have that issue, if you eat processed food, so if you go to McDonald's, you've got some candida. If you eat sugar, sugar is highly inflammatory in your system, and so it's really good for that candida to grow and kind of fester in your system. So lots of different things. Antibiotics, actually, especially the wide spectrum antibiotics, they kill off even the good bacteria in your system so that you're left depleted and the candida can really grow because there's nothing else taking up space. So there's lots of things in the, especially Western diet, that can get in the way of good gut health.
So I don't mean to pick apart one particular thing you said, but you said 9 hours of sleep. I keep track of exactly how much sleep I get, and I get an average of 7 hours per night, and that seems to be enough for me personally.
I kind of like the 9 hour thing. I mean,
You get 9
if I had
hours.
to choose between one of the two, I would definitely take the 9 hours.
I have the option to be able to get 9 hours of sleep if I wanted to, but I just find myself, I will wake up within a 7 hour period of me going to sleep. And from what I've heard from researchers like Matt Walker, who is the premier PhD scientific research on sleep, he says 7 to 8 hours ideally is what you need. But is there research behind 9 hours?
No, I personally choose 9 hours because the circadian rhythm works on a system of 90 minutes. And so trying to balance your sleep around a 90-minute cycle cycle will actually help you wake up refreshed and feeling ready for the day. And so 9 hours works for me. Some people work off of 7, some people work off of 6. It depends on your body and how you function best. Girls typically do need more sleep than guys. Just for healing purposes, there's a lot more going on hormonally that we need help with. But yeah.
Awesome. Yeah, I do notice if I get 6 hours of sleep, I do not feel the same.
Yeah.
It does make a huge difference. Get good sleep, everybody. But thank you so much for tuning in. It's awesome talking to you, Ragan, and thank you for providing all of this awesome knowledge to help our listeners benefit their health and wellness. Have a great night, everybody, and thank you for tuning in.